and welcome back to Vivaan's Rocking World. So today's video is about this Nerf Elite 2.0, which is the Volt SD-1. So today we'll be unboxing it and testing it. It even has a laser pointer, which I will show later in the video. So let's get unboxing and testing this brand new gun. So as you can see, there's tape here. So we'll cut this. Oh my god, this is heavy. So here is the gun, and here is the trigger. I explained it in my last video of Nerf. And here it's almost like my small Nerf one where you pull it. So you pull this and you put your ammo in here and shoot. And here's the button. This is, it's right now off. So I'll just switch this on. Okay, off. And I'll be taking out this ammo. So guys, this is how the laser looks. It kind of looks like a cat beam, doesn't it? But no, it's a laser to mark your aim. Looks cool, doesn't it? Guys, so this gun was very good. It can shoot at a very far range. And it also has a nice marking to it whenever you can mark and you can shoot. And this gun, I like it. It has a nice laser and it's perfect for all of you guys. If you have like some problem with the gun and if you cannot shoot, imagine here, I'll just take this. I'll take this candle and pretend that I'm you, okay? I missed. Well, this gun has a laser pointer, so you can just do this and this. So guys, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell if you don't want to miss any, and I mean any, of our videos. And we'll see you again on the Rocking World. Bye.